So with Onehash, you can also set up your own virtual warehouse and customize and manage your own inventory. So how to do this, we will show you right now. One of the things we covered in the first video is stock management. So you can manage your entire stock inventory and set up basically your online virtual warehouse. And this is fantastic if you want to be able to have this inside your own CRM system as well. And this is great because as soon as you close a lead, build them into a customer, send a quotation has been paid, this stock is properly managed as well. It's all up to date and automated within Onehash. So once at the stock, you will see that you will have a few steps to go through. And so you can set up your warehouse. So for example, if you want to set up a new warehouse, let's say warehouse name would be the shoe factory. Just a random name I just came up with, so don't misjudge me on it. Let's say company will be create a new company. That's something we can also do, but let's get one of these companies. Let's just do Sumtel. Let's say create new, and then you will see the shoe factory being popped up here. From here you can edit this and you can have your warehouse type. So create a new warehouse type, and let's say this is transit. For example, transit means that this is the warehouse from where items are going to be shipped. But let's just call this shoe factory for now. So let's say save. Then we have the account, and the account, let's say stock in hand. Well, let's just use the account we already have to speed up this use case video. Then we have the address, so you can add your address, you can add your contact, and you can add your warehouse info, so phone number, mobile number, address line, etc. Then from here you can also add comments, you can have your new email, everything you ever want to. So let's say we're going to save this for now, and this is fine. So if we go back to stock, we can also say create a product. And we can create variants, we can just do item codes, you have your item name, you have your item group, everything can be inserted inside of this one feature. As soon as you have done that, you can go to the supplier step, introduction to stock entry, create a stock entry, create a purchase receipt, and explore stock settings. So with the stock management, you also have a tab for material request, delivery notes, stock entry, stock ledger. You have your stock balance, the purchase receipt, and so on and so on. So again, Onehash is really a complete tool that offers you a lot of features. And if we take a look here, masters and reports, you will have items and pricing, stock transactions, stock reports. You have your settings for the stock, for the warehouse, the unit of measurement, item variants, brands, item attributes, conversion factor. You have your serial number and badges. So that's everything you can just use for your stock management. So as you have seen, Onehash has a ton of features, a ton of options that will help you build your own customer list, manage your own warehouse, do inventory tracking, and so much more. So give it a try and let us know how you find it.